Hello friends, we will discuss here types of insurance policy. First policy is life insurance policy. Life insurance policy provides a financial benefit to the beneficiaries upon the injured death. There are difficult types such as term life insurance coverage for a specific period and whole time insurance permanent coverage. Second policy is auto insurance policy. Auto insurance policy protects against financial loss in case of an accident or theft involving a vehicle. It typically includes liability coverage and may offer additional protections like collision, comprehensive and underinsured motorist coverage. Next policy is health insurance. Health insurance policy covers medical expenses and can include various benefits like hospitalization, doctor's visits, prescriptions, drugs, and preventive care. Next policy is homeowners returns insurance. Homeowners insurance provides coverage for a house and its contents against damage or theft. Returns insurance protects the belongings of returns and offer liability coverage. Next policy is travel insurance. Travel insurance offers coverage for trip cancellation, interruption, medical emergencies while traveling, lost luggage and other travel related risk. Next policy is disability insurance. Provides income replacement if the insured becomes disabled and unable to work. Next policy is umbrella insurance policy. Umbrella insurance policy provides additional liability coverage beyond the limit of other policies, offering extra protection for individuals and businesses. Next policy is pet insurance policy. Pet insurance policy covers veterinary expenses for pets, including illness, injury, and routine care. Next policy is crop insurance. Crop insurance policy protects farmers against crop losses caused by natural disasters, pests, or other perils. Next policy is flood insurance policy. Flood insurance policy provides coverage for property damage caused by floods, which is typically not covered by standard homeowners policies. Next policy we will discuss long-term care insurance. Long-term care insurance policy covers the cost of long-term care services such as assisted living or nursing home care. Next policy is business insurance policy. Business insurance policy a variety of insurance policies tailored for businesses including general liability insurance, property insurance, professional liability insurance and workers compensation.